show you how to organize the layers in the document in the Canva app. First, we have to open up the app, and here we have a document, and let's say we have a few elements that we have in the document. Let's say this one is blue, and then this one is a nice red, and we want to organize it in a way that the red is going to be above the blue one. We just right click on the canvas, right click on the elements, then we move the layer, and then we click on show layers, and here we can reorganize all of the elements to our liking, like this or like this. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.